Echo under my feet, shadows follow where the daylight retreats. Every whisper turns into stone. This is the song of being alone. No one hears the quiet cry, a melody that never dies. The song of alone. Left outside in time, every laugh is a distant drone. This is the song of being alone. The heart beats softer, slow, unseen, a ghost inside a broken dream. The song of alone. I still find a fragile voice, a trace of light. Even alone, the soul can sing a quiet strength in everything. The song of alone, not just sorrow, but the seed that's sown. From shadows deep, a voice has grown, turning silence into my